Lekoko le le busang le amogetse ka diatla tseopedi kgato ya ga President Cyril Ramaphosa ya go fetola kabinete.
Let's get down to business. Let's see whether this focused approach on load shedding with somebody with level-headed academic record, understanding things. You know, it's something else to talk in generalities. These things need engineering capacity.
Makoko kganetso mangwe ba supile fa ba swabisitswe ke go thapiwa ga Dr. Kgosientsho Ramokgopa jaaka tona ya motlakase. Dr. Ramokgopa o dirile kwa kantorong ya Mopresidente jaaka mogakolodi wa ga Presidente mo lephateng la mafaratlhatlha, mme gape o dirile jaaka meyara wa Tshwane magareng ga 2010 le 2016.
We're in for tough times ahead. I think we could have really done with a energy expert in this portfolio to be able to get to grips with the crisis. We've now had an even larger cabinet with even more ministers laid on top of it, with another broken promise to reduce the size of cabinet.
Also redundant because South Africa has a Minister of Energy, South Africa has a Minister of Public Enterprises who are tasked with the responsibilities that this so-called minister is supposed to handle as well. So it is redundant, and thirdly, it's a revelation of Cyril Ramaphosa's level of cowardice and how he uses cabinet positions as a means to manage the factional warfare of political interests within the ANC.
Le fa maphata a semphato a neseditse pula diphetogo mo kabineteng, ba re ba tlile go baya ditokololo tsa khuduthamaga ya ga Ramaphosa leitlho le lentšhotšho go netefatsa fa di dira tiro ya bone ka tshwanelo.
We are going to hold them accountable. They are also going to hold ourselves as workers accountable in terms of making sure that we deliver service, because there are policies, once the policies that are developed, implementing of those policies is our own members who are public service, but make sure that the morale of those workers is uplifted, is improved, so that they are able to deliver service to the people of South Africa.
In particular, this Minister of Electricity, where we have brought one of the best from within the movement, young, talented, skillful, who have proved himself in different areas. And I think we want to give him all our support